Living in Deltona, Florida, offers many benefits: sunny weather, a laid-back lifestyle, and beautiful natural surroundings. But as every Floridian knows, the region also comes with the risk of hurricane season, bringing strong winds, flying debris, and sudden storms. That's why more and more Deltona homeowners are making the switch to hurricane-resistant windows as a critical part of protecting their homes and families. If you're considering an upgrade, here's why hurricane-resistant windows are a smart investment and how they can make a real difference for your Deltona home. Superior protection against storm damage. The primary reason Deltona homeowners are installing hurricane-resistant windows is simple: safety. These windows are designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, including high winds exceeding 100 miles per hour, flying debris from trees, signs, or structures, sudden pressure changes during a storm. Unlike standard windows, hurricane-resistant windows use impact-resistant laminated glass, 2 layers of glass bonded with a durable interlayer, making them extremely difficult to shatter. Even if the outer layer cracks, the inner layer holds together, keeping wind and water out. This means your home is better protected from structural damage, flooding, and potential injuries, all while avoiding the hassle of installing storm shutters. Year-round peace of mind. Hurricane-resistant windows aren't just useful during the stormy months. They provide continuous protection and comfort all year long. Once installed, they're always in place, which eliminates the stress and time it takes to prepare your home when a storm warning is issued. You won't have to struggle with heavy plywood or metal shutters, rush out to buy supplies during hurricane season, worry about being away when a storm hits. For Deltona residents who travel frequently or live part-time in the area, this is especially valuable. You can leave your home knowing it's secure and storm-ready at all times. Lower insurance premium. Many insurance providers in Florida offer discounts for homes equipped with hurricane-resistant features, including impact windows. Because these windows reduce the risk of severe storm damage, they make your property less of a liability in the eyes of insurers. By upgrading your home with hurricane-resistant windows, you may qualify for wind mitigation credits, reduced premiums on homeowners insurance, long-term savings that help offset installation costs. Always consult with your insurance company to find out which upgrades qualify and how much you could save. Energy efficiency and cost saving. In addition to storm protection, hurricane-resistant windows are also designed to be energy efficient. Their multi-layer construction and tight seals help reduce heat transfer and air leakage, which means your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, especially in Deltona's hot and humid climate. You'll benefit from lower monthly utility bills, a more consistent indoor temperature, less strain on your air conditioning system. It's an upgrade that pays off in both comfort and savings. Enhanced security and noise reduction. Because hurricane-resistant windows are built to withstand extreme impact, they also offer increased protection against break-ins. Their strong glass and reinforced frames deter intruders, giving homeowners added peace of mind. Plus, the laminated glass construction helps to reduce outdoor noise, perfect for homes near busy roads, schools, or construction areas. You'll enjoy a quieter, more serene living environment year-round. Final thoughts. A smart investment for Deltona homeowners. From superior storm protection to improved energy efficiency and security, hurricane-resistant windows are one of the most valuable upgrades you can make to your Deltona home. With unpredictable weather patterns and the growing intensity of tropical storms, protecting your property isn't just a precaution, it's a necessity. If you're ready to enhance your home's safety, value, and comfort, contact a trusted local window expert to explore your options. You'll gain peace of mind knowing your home is ready for whatever the Florida skies may bring.